Are you looking for the best potting benches? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best potting benches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Best Choice Products Garden Potting Bench. We enjoyed the expandable work surface and dry sink, which is perfect for mixing or storing soil without taking up space on the tabletop. We had enough room on the work surface for a gardening tool bag, planters, and soil. As far as durability goes, we found that this potting bench holds up well when exposed to different weather conditions, including rain. While it appears sturdy and hasn't toppled over yet, we're not sure how it would withstand gusts since it has a narrow design. This bench is made entirely out of fir wood, which gives it a refined, natural look. However, it scratched easily during testing, and we noticed that it already had a few minor scratches upon arrival. The storage options are a bit more limited with this rolling potting bench, and there are no cabinets or drawers to protect gardening tools from the elements. Number 2. Yaheetech Outdoor Garden Potting Bench. This Yaheetech Outdoor Garden Potting Bench offers all the features you could want out of your potting bench in an attractive package. Built with a solid metal work surface, you can easily work without the risk of any damage from soil or water, or losing any important items as you work on your plants. The potting bench comes with a surprising amount of storage space, including a top shelf, a drawer, a closed-latched cabinet, side hooks, and an open bottom shelf. You can store soil bags, additional pots, seed packets, and general gardening tools all in one place. Number 3. Topeakmart Potting Bench. With 2 bottom shelves, storage hooks on the side, a sliding drawer, a dry sink, and a thin top shelf above the work surface, this Topeakmart potting bench provides tons of space and versatility. The shelf underneath the work surface is adjustable so you can raise it or lower it to different levels based on the height of the items you want to store. The feet also come with rubber stoppers to increase the sturdiness of the work surface. Number 4. Convenience Concepts Deluxe Potting Bench. Designed with a natural dark wood finish, this potting bench has a subtle aesthetic flair to match its ample functionality. The slide cabinet, bottom shelf space, side hooks, and thin top shelf add tons of storage space, while the smooth wood surface and dry sink make it easy to repot and water your plants without making a mess or spilling soil. The wood also has a weather-resistant finish, so feel free leaving it outdoors when the rain comes sweeping in. We especially love the small shelf at the top for showing off your small plants. Number 5. Genki Outdoor Garden Sink. Unlike all of the other potting benches we recommend, this outdoor garden sink has running water. All you need to do is connect the bench to your hose and you can water your plants or wash your hands directly in the central sink. The potting bench is designed to mount directly on the wall, so you don't have to build any pieces once it arrives. The retractable top workspace helps reduce the spatial footprint of the device, and the small storage cubby is great for handheld tools. The potting bench is also designed to wrap your hose around, replacing the need for a hose reel. This is an excellent solution for small outdoor spaces where you don't have room for a full potting bench.
Number 6. Topeakmart Potting Bench Table. The Topeakmart potting bench was simple to assemble and has a lightweight and compact design. It's easy to move this bench around since it only weighs 15 pounds, which is helpful since the potting bench doesn't have wheels. The instructions recommended having 2 people for assembly, with an estimated build time of half an hour. It took us 22 minutes to assemble the bench, and thankfully there weren't too many pieces. Initially we thought the potting bench would be flimsy because of how lightweight it is, but we were impressed with how sturdy this potting bench was after assembly. We placed heavy potted plants and bags of potting soil onto the bench and didn't notice any signs of the bench struggling under the added weight. One detail we did notice, however, is how soft the wood is. Although it's sturdy enough to hold up to use, the wood sustained cosmetic damage, including water stains. Number 7. Backyard Discovery Potting Table. The Backyard Discovery Potting Bench can be used as both a potting bench and a serving table for outdoor parties or gatherings. During our testing period, we used it for gardening chores and as a prep area for grilling. At 47 inches wide, it provides plenty of space for 2 people to work side by side as well. The potting bench took about an hour to assemble. The instructions were clear and easy to understand, but some of the pieces lacked labeling, which slowed down the assembly process. When using the potting bench, it felt sturdy even on uneven ground thanks to its leveling feet. However, you'll want to make sure that the feet remain at the same height, otherwise the potting bench may wobble. The durable acacia wood proved its weather resistance during our testing period. It was unbothered by the rain and didn't sustain any water marks or damage.